made it to Puerto Rico. The last of the Clean Water Corps members showed up this morning. We're heading out to the south and then the west over the next few days to do some water filter implementations for some of the hardest hit areas from Hurricane Fiona.
The mission of Clean Water Corps is to bring access to clean water to those that need it, particularly in isolated and austere environments and after natural disasters. It is an amazing thing to take the skills I developed in the military and apply them in a way that allows me to kind of give back. It's a different experience to leave a place better than you found it. In the military, I would go in and often I would cause the trauma and leave. Here, I was in the trauma. I experienced Hurricane Maria. I experienced the destruction overnight. And then I also, over a year and a half, was able to rebuild with the population. Veterans suffer when they transition from active duty because they lose their team, they lose a cohesive purpose, and they really lose their support structure and identity.
With Clean Water Corps, I feel a sense of community that I was searching for ever since I left the military. I found a new sense of purpose, and I felt a sense of connectedness. It feels more like family to me.
It's an opportunity to give back to someone who may not be as fortunate as I am at that particular moment. I've been thirsty a lot of times in my life, but I've never not been able to get clean water. Sometimes people, they have no access, and we provide that. And I think that's incredibly gratifying.
The CWC has absolutely saved me and brought me to a place I did not think I would be again in my life. The Clean Water Corps is my new tribe. It was unintentionally the greatest thing that's ever happened to me.